Go, go, go! Good. Assumi na ano ba?
नहीं लंबी लगा आसर होइन लाइन चेडिंग दा अंदर से
Martin Kidal. Where's Oribo?
All in.
Kagab lagi mo yun.
Separate administration demand ho hi Manipur government popular government no ya
Yang sama dari laut Pemda. Public ini itu public kumang lo, public kandang kita dia. Good.
Bapu pakai ini.
Tôi hiện road to ma line to ma chiều trên là ngay
Lipi ha, hai sapong po kita ulit ang pagkataw dia. Ikaw lang nga hinay program mo sana kay ilaw di hiya. Sammy, inform me when it's happening.
Play horse again.
No, we demand.
Popular government. Popular government.
CM yung Manipur no ya day long ten. Ako, pijan hi ipiay man din ha. Popular government.
Lom tuinena kan soy ani amaro chukan ramin boina ato ka nunna tam tak kan chara inne lo namma kan bia na nge munte po
What is all about this protest? Why are you protesting in such a manner?
Well, this protest is about disagreements in the formation of popular government. Recently, the entire Kuki-Zo people has stood firm that they should not be supporting this formation of popular government, because ever since the initial start of the ethnic conflict of the Kuki-Zo people, it's been almost 3 years. Until now, justice has not been served. So many of our people have been killed, mercilessly tortured, burned, butchered, and our women has been gang raped, sexually violated, and all this heinous crime has been done upon us. However, until now, the government has not come up with any solutions, and no perpetrator has been caught so far. Now, with all this going on, how could our own political leaders had betrayed us? Because from the initial start, on the 12th May 2023, the leaders, including the politicians and all other civil bodies, organization leaders, have a talk, and they have come with a resolution of demanding for a separate administration. The demand for separate administrations has been initiated by our political leaders. Now today, as we hear the news of this formation of popular government, the entire Kuki-Zo, following the resolution made by them, now they are the one going against their words. So which is the reason why this is an outrage and anger of the entire Kuki-Zo people, which is why today's protest is unlike any other protest. There are more people, more youngsters you can see around the crowd, the public. This is the outrage of the emotions of the entire Kuki-Zo people. And they have made an effigy of the 3 MLA ministers, Mrs. Nemsa and Samnur and also LM Kaute. They are the ones who betrayed us. And that is the reason why the entire Kuki-Zo people has come up with boycotting these people from our community. And secondly, there is also an ultimatum demand by the Kuki-Zo people that our 10 Kuki-Zo MLS must resign as soon as possible in order to take part in this journey. Because until and unless we are not getting this political demand, then I don't think there will be a solution for peace. Because that is the most inevitable solution to bring peace in Manipur again. And secondly, from the 3rd May, as we have been driven away from our own land, from our own home, we have been killed and driven away from our place. That day itself is the initial starts of our separation. Now we want to govern ourselves. We don't want to be under the administration of the Manipur government, which is the reason why the entire Kuki-Zo people demanded for separate administration or union territory with legislature. This is the actual demand we have been following up from the initial start of the crisis, which is being initiated by our political leaders. And today we will continue on this journey of demanding our political demand. and the people, entire Kuki-Zo people will not back out on this. We will continue to go on this journey.
So now popular government have been formed.
Yes.
And if the village people try to come to their respective place of settlement before the crisis, what will be your stance? What will be the stance of the Kuki-Zo people?
Well, it goes without saying that we still have a buffer zone to maintain.
Right.
So the buffer zone itself clarifies that there has been a separation already for the past 2 years, and including this coming May, we will complete 3 years of separation. So what more should we put out as an example of being togetherness? Well, the Kuki-Zo people desperately want peace, but not in this way. There should be a political solution, because what had happened, the damage has been so deep that from the day we left the valley, that is the day we have decided that we would never want to go back again. And until and unless there is no political stance, then there is no guarantee for us to resort in peace. Because now, let's say that if we have to just by words say that there is a peace already between the Meiteis and the Kuki, who is going to guarantee that peace? We have already a trust deficit towards the Meitei, which is the reason why, because of trust deficit, we want a clarification and in papers and in writing that this is the only political solution that will bring both the community together again. So it is never like we don't want to make peace with them, but we just want an assurance. We want to govern ourselves separately, and we can be a very good neighbors. That's all I like to say.
Thank you.
Popular government na Deputy Chief Minister, Cabinet Minister i-demand daw, diba?